In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a professional landing page similar to this one using Shopify. While constructing a page like this might seem a bit challenging, I'll simplify the process considerably for you. That's because I leave a link in the video description for the group of sections used to design this professional landing page. Like this section, which shows a before and after image of the product in use. And here is a section for customer reviews in the form of video testimonials with a sidebar slider like this. The percentages are displayed here in this manner, along with the buy button, and this reviews section too. And a section like this one, for example, comparing your product with other products or brands. You will learn all this and more, step by step right now. So, pay close attention and watch the video to the end. I worked really hard to design these sections with AI. Please like this video and subscribe. Share this video with your friends who you'd like to see learn how to professionally design product pages on Shopify. In the video description, you'll find a registration link for Shopify. Through this link, you will receive a free trial for 3 days, and your first 3 months on Shopify will be just $1 per month. I'll also provide a coupon link for you if you're currently running ads on TikTok or if you're interested in starting to run ads on TikTok. And by using that link, you'll be able to receive an advertising credit of up to $6,000. Basically, this offer means if you spend a certain amount, you get that amount back. So if you spend $200 on ads, you'll get $200. Likewise, if you spend $500, you'll receive $500 in free ad credit in your account. You can spend it as if you never spent a dime. The link for this offer is in the video description. There's also a video where I explain this offer and how to get it step by step. Now let's go back, enter the email address and register the account from here. We'll select the country of sale. After that, we'll type in the password and click on Create Shopify Account. And here, we can pay for the Shopify subscription later, either with a bank card or through PayPal. We'll begin by inputting our bank card details, and our first 3 months will cost only $1 per month. Or you can skip this step and add the payment card later. After that, we will choose the plan. We have 3 plans. The basic plan is what I recommend for beginners. You can read the differences between each plan and the next, but here, you will click on Try Business. You will fill in your data and then click on Save. We will skip this step here. Now, the dashboard for the online store on Shopify will open up for us. First, we'll navigate here and click on Online Store. We'll then begin by removing the password, which will allow us to publish the online store, making it accessible to visitors. So now anyone will be able to visit your online store. Next, on the left side, we have the dashboard, which includes the home page, orders page, products page, customers, marketing, coupons, and many other related sections. We'll proceed until we reach the settings here. By simply clicking on settings, you have the ability to change the name of your online store. From here, you can simply add the remaining payment method settings for your e-commerce store and also manage your domain connection. You can effortlessly adjust all these configurations. Now, let's go to the products page to add a new product. We'll click here on Add Product. Here we'll type the product name and here the product description. We'll upload the product images. Be sure that the product images look great with an appealing design and good colors. Next, we'll enter the product price. From here, we'll add the inventory or the number of pieces available. And here we can add product variants like the available sizes and colors of the product. I've added this product and here are all the images and data specific to the product, including its product prices and all available product variants. After that, we'll click here on Online Store. We have a theme called Horizon that you can easily work with. But I'll scroll down until I find the theme library, then click here to choose from the free themes. After that, I'll continue scrolling until I reach the Dawn theme. This is the exact theme I intend to use for my store. I'll select it right here. After that, you'll click on Try, and it's currently uploading the theme to the online store. Once it finishes uploading, we'll click on Publish. Then, we will click Publish one more time. And just like that, Dawn is our main theme. From here, we'll open Customize in a new tab. And now, this is our template or the homepage, which is very easily accessible. You have the ability to change the images here. You can change the texts, font sizes, font colors, the purchase button, and everything related to the template. Let me skip this step for now and go directly to the product page to add a new template there. The primary reason is that if you apply this template to your main product page or the existing main template, it will automatically be added to all products currently available in your online store. However, the moment you create a new template, assign it a name, for example, and then click on Template, then you're all set. We have successfully created an exceptional product page within the online store. Therefore, we will now proceed to the online store's products section and choose this particular product. We come here to the template, then select the new template and then click Save. Now we will return to the template. And of course, if the product is not visible to you, you can select it from here and it will then appear in this specific area. The very first item we have is the menu bar. This is naturally the default menu bar. We actually desire for it to look precisely like this. It has a counter and text. I've left the menu bar for you in the video description file. This is its design. There are 3 other designs within this code. We'll go to the nouns menu bar like so. Right-click, then navigate to the code. You will select all of this code, copy it, and paste it into any notepad you have to save it, so you can restore it later if needed. Afterward, we'll proceed to delete the existing code, then go to the new code, copy it from there, and paste it. Following that, we'll press save. Now, returning to the store, we'll see the nouns menu bar has changed to this design. This is the first design with the countdown. The second design doesn't have any discounts, so if you're in a period without discounts, you can of course add it in this design. The third design has a button. You can easily change all of this text. If you scroll down, you'll find all the text for the designs here. You can even change the buy button like this, making it say end by noun, and this here is the fourth design. So if you have new products, you can easily create a new product announcement bar. I will select the initial design option. You can of course easily change all the colors, so whether it's the background colors, the fonts, icons, or anything else, the colors will be updated for you. And here you have the ability to easily change this link by directing this button to any desired page or product. If we scroll down, we'll see that we can control the countdown timer. For instance, I can set it to conclude by the end of this year, then just click save. Therefore, this is the current offer and the temporary counter is now active. I can modify this text in the same manner. If I scroll down, I'll find it available here and I can alter it like so, and it transforms beautifully. And here I can control everything related to the announcement bar, of course through the settings. Here, you have the option to add an e-commerce store logo in this specific region. You can also modify the main colors. You have the ability to change the basic fonts along with their sizes, and this principle extends to all of the online store settings generally. For example, I can navigate to the colors section, click on Scheme 1 right here, and then, for instance, easily change the button's color from this point. Just like that, I'll choose this color, and the purchase button color will change easily. You can change the rest of the page's colors the same way. Now let's go back and come here to the product information. And this first text here, we'll start by deleting it. It's not needed, so we'll leave the title under the price. Here we have the variants. You can either keep them, or if you wish to create this bundle, I'll show you how to do it just like this at the end of the video. Therefore, you must hide the variants from here. But if you're not going to make this bundle, then do not hide the variants. I will hide the variants from here. You can now return and display them again with ease, but I'll be hiding them throughout this video. I'll hide the quantity selection because I'm going to make the bundle purchase button. I will be hiding the add to cart button and keeping only the buy now button. So I will click here to hide the add to cart button. The product description looks like this. I don't like it this way, so I'll hide the product description. I'll delete the product share button from here. Then I'll go here to product information. I'll begin by selecting this option and then clicking on Show Thumbnails. Afterwards, I'll choose Thumbnails from this section. Consequently, the main product image and its associated images will appear professionally displayed as thumbnails beneath it. Next, we will proceed to incorporate the provided codes. We'll postpone discussing the review until the conclusion of the video, where we will demonstrate how to add it. We'll begin by adding text similar to this, right below the product name. We can achieve this by navigating to the product information section. We'll position the mouse here, right under the product name. Then we click and select the text option. Here we can begin to paste or type the text we want. We can highlight it, make it bold from here, and very easily adjust its size, making it either larger or smaller. I'm content with this current size. Next, we have another text element like this. We can add it by right-clicking, selecting duplicate, and dragging it here below the price. Then we can insert the new text. We have icons here, each with text next to them, which are displayed vertically. By coming here to point and click and then pressing here. Then we can select an icon and text from here and arrange them vertically. After that, we can select icons from here or leave it without an icon. And then we will add our custom text right next to it, just like this, using the same exact method. I'll remove the second icon and insert this, and I'll also delete the third icon and add the text in this manner. If you wish to include more, you can add them similarly. Alternatively, you can right-click here, then duplicate, and they will be replicated, allowing you to add or modify them in the exact same manner. I'll stick with just these 3, and I recommend that you also keep them to 3 to 5 lines. This is above the buy button we'll be working on at the very end of the video. However, we have this text, adorned in this beautiful color, and there's also a noticeable pulsating effect occurring here. You will find it right here within the codes I have provided in the video description. This is it. We will select all of it, go back to the online store and above the buy button. We'll begin by pointing and clicking with the mouse here, then search for custom liquid and paste the code into this area. It will show up like this with the purchase button, and we'll click save to keep all the settings we've just configured. This is how the section looks now. Very nice and better than before. Next, we have the payment methods available in the online store. We'll come here, and under the purchase button, we'll hover with the mouse and search for continue again. And coming back here, we'll find the purchase button. We will select this code and paste it in this area. Here are the images or logos of the available payment methods. If you wish to remove any of them, you can easily select it in this manner, then delete it. You can then add another by simply changing its associated link here to the name or link of the specific payment method logo you intend to integrate into this area. Following this, we have an icon positioned next to a text element as displayed here. We'll come here, hover with the mouse and choose icon and text. We have 3, so we'll start by deleting the third one. We'll just keep 2. Then we'll copy this text and write it here in the first one. And this text will be written in the second one, and we can select it and make it bold so it's a bit thicker. After that, you can of course determine the specific icon image. From here, you'll click on select and then upload the icon image. Then click on done, and the icon image will upload like this. In the same way, add the second icon and click save. Now, we have the frequently asked questions. We will come here and do it the same way. We'll point with the mouse and then select this section. We will write the question title here and the answer will be displayed here. And you can remove the check mark that is here from this spot. So when the customer clicks on it, the answer will appear like this. And now you have the option to duplicate this same section simply by right-clicking. Then double-click and it will be duplicated for you to add another question. And the answer to the second question until you've added all the questions for the product. Honestly, I don't like the product images being displayed like this. If there are many, more than 4, you'll go here to product information. Then come here to thumbnail and choose thumbnail carousel. It will be added in this way, which will look much better. We'll click save here, and now this is the product page layout. It's very nice and better than before. Next, we have this section. We'll go to the file I've provided for you. This is the section, this is its image, and this is its code. Pay close attention, and I'll show you how to add this section now. We'll go to the online store and click on online store. Then we'll click on those 3 dots and proceed to edit code. From there, we will select the Explorer. We'll navigate to the online store, then click on those 3 dots again, and finally, edit code. From here, we'll click on the Explorer and choose sections. Next, we'll go to the code. You'll find I've left the code name for you like this. Copy the name exactly. Then return to this spot and right-click on section. Select new file. Paste the code's name, then hit enter. The code name will appear here along with an empty file. We will now highlight the code from this location, click to copy it, next paste the code here, and then click save. With that, our section has been successfully added. Now let's navigate back to the store's customization page. We'll need to reload. Please make sure that you've saved. We can now close this as we no longer require it. And here we have the section for similar products, which we have the option to hide. Next, click on Add Section. If you scroll down, you'll find the new section we just added. Select it from here. And it looks just like the section that is here. All that's left now is for you to add your images or videos. From here, you can modify the existing text, the description, or the buy button link. And now you can go ahead and paste the buy button link right here. Alright, if we go ahead and click right here, you'll find it leads us to the main section. Any button you press on this page takes you to the main section. This is the first step I want you to take. So, how do you do it? You will come here to the online store. Click here to view the store's appearance and proceed to the product. You'll find that this is indeed the product template. You'll press F12 on your keyboard, or you can right-click. Then we'll start clicking with the mouse to select this item. Next, we'll select the entire section by highlighting its section frame. It will likely appear in a greenish hue. If we select it from here, you'll see it gets highlighted like this. We'll go up and find the section ID. This is the ID that we need. We'll select it by simply double-clicking on it. I will copy this ID. It will be enclosed within the quotation marks. Then I'll come here and put a hash symbol. Then we will paste the text we copied and select it right from here. If it appears exactly like this, then we are all set. So now anyone who clicks on this button will be directed to the section that's located here. Similarly, you can now select this and apply it to any button located within any section. We'll be adding it, for instance, to this section. Once added, there will be a button present, or perhaps in another section, any section with a button where you wish to guide the client directly to the main section. You can implement this in precisely the same manner. Next, if we scroll down, you'll find that you can display or conceal the client testimonials and modify their associated text. And from this point, you have the flexibility to modify all the section's colors and effortlessly manage the carousel rotation speed. Furthermore, here you can choose your desired images or videos. For example, you can upload the image just like this. Afterward, so the image will appear in the carousel just like this. Of course, you can add all the images to appear this way, like in this section. After that, we'll click on Save. Next, we have section number 2, which will present the product in a tabs format with a video or an image playing here. You'll find it here. I've provided it for you in the video description. Here it is. Following the same steps, we'll go to Sections, copy the section name from here, then right-click. After that, select New File. Then, we'll paste the section name and press Enter. A blank space will open up for us here. We will copy the code that is located here and paste it, then click on Save, and from here, we will reload the page. We'll click here on Add Section, and you'll find the new section has been added, just like this. From here, you can change all the settings for the section, whether it's the colors or the text. And from here, you can modify each tab, adding the video by simply pasting its link. You will accomplish this by navigating to your online store. You can right-click there and then open it in a new tab. It will redirect you to the home page. From here, you will go to the Content section, then choose the Files section and upload the video here that you want to add. After you upload the video, you'll come here to copy the video link and then go here, paste the video link here and select it like this. So if the customer clicks here, the video will start to appear for them like this. You can also add the first, second, and third videos in the same way. If you wish to add additional videos, you can easily do so following the exact same procedure we utilized for this particular video, and it will be displayed immediately once the customer clicks on it. Next, we have a section to show a before and after image in the same file. You'll find it right here, before and after. This is the code for it, and you'll add it the same way. Then, you just copy and paste the code, and you're able to modify everything within the code. After that, we have this section, a slider and product or customer statistics. You'll find it here, and this is its code. Then, over here, we have customer reviews. You'll design an image like this yourself on Canva or Photoshop, a before image and after image. And you'll go here, you'll find the customer reviews. This is the section. Next, we have comparing your product with other products. You'll come here and find product comparison. That's the section's name, and this is its specific code. You'll add them in the exact same manner as we learned to add sections like these. This is the bundle application. It's a paid application. It does, however, come with a 14-day free trial that you can definitely test out. I'll include the application link for you in the video description below. You will simply click Install here. Following that, we will click on Install once more, and then you can begin the free trial right away. Next, we'll click here on Activate to turn on this application, and it will now show up like this. We will then click on Save. We will go back once more. Here we'll find the next step is to create our first bundle. We'll click here on Create Bundle. We can easily choose any of these designs. I like this first design. You could also choose a nice design like this one. From here, we can control the bundle colors, and of course, we can change them. After that, I'll choose this color, then I'll choose this design and click on Choose. And from here, you can write the bundle name and change this title. If we scroll down further, we'll discover that we can assign this bundle to all of our products or to a specific product. So you can make a bundle for all products or for a specific product. I'll choose a specific product, for instance, and select it. You can display the bundle vertically or horizontally. And here, you're able to control all the colors for the bundle and all the text sizes. So make sure that you adjust everything. After that, simply click on Save. Now for the third step, we will click here on Activate to add the widget to the product page. We'll click on Activate now because we are using a different theme than Horizon. So we'll go back and head over to our main theme, then click on Customize. We'll select the widget from here, activate it like so, and then navigate to the product page. You'll see it has been activated. Now we'll proceed to click Save. We have now successfully added the widget above the purchase button. Following this, we have this application. I will include the application link in this video's description for adding reviews. It has a free plan, which is truly excellent. We'll click Install to finalize the application setup. It will appear here in the apps. We'll select the language. Then click on Continue. You can configure some settings from here. For instance, you can request a review from your customer sometime after they buy the product. Here, for example, it's 15 days or perhaps 10 days. Following that, we'll click here on Now. Confirm that the theme is indeed this one. We'll select the widget from here, ensuring it is active. Then we'll proceed to click on Save. Now, if we return, you will see it is active. We will then click on Continue, and we can effortlessly. We'll begin by clicking on Import Reviews. Then we'll choose the product and click on Import from AliExpress. At this point, we'll require the product's link from AliExpress. We'll search for the desired product, and from the options, we can choose based on top orders, for instance. We'll find many reviews here. We'll select it, copy this product link, and paste the product link here. Then click on Import. It will now begin importing 20 reviews for this product. It has successfully imported 20 reviews. Now, if I navigate to the e-commerce store and then proceed to the product page, we'll see the reviews have been successfully integrated. If we click on it, it will take us down to read the product reviews. We'll notice that the reviews are currently above this section. So let's navigate to the online store and click on Customize. From here, we'll navigate to the new product page and then position the section directly beneath the product information, ensuring the section appears first, followed by the reviews. Make sure the reviews are at the very bottom after all the sections you'll add from the code library that I'll leave for you in the video description. After that, we'll click Save. So by now, you have successfully learned how to easily create a professional landing page exactly like this one on Shopify. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in e-commerce. Goodbye.